Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing, ta-da, the brand new QVC Today Special Value featuring L'Occitane. This is an incredible gift set. It's such a good price. I'm so excited. I'm gonna unbox it with you and I'm just, I'm blown away by how incredibly good it is. Also, I'm gonna try and do this video quickly because Mary is having a walk with John and I just don't know when they're gonna get back. It could be any second. Who knows? So anyway, here is the box. It's so beautifully packaged. Like, it's so pretty. You don't even need to wrap it. It's just a dream. It's so pretty. Anyway, before we unbox it, I'm just going to tell you the details because it is an incredible deal. So this box launches today. It launches on the 15th of November and it is available for 3 days until the 18th of November. Literally, it will end at midnight. It's like Cinderella's shoe. It will disappear at midnight. So, what is it, her horse and cart? Something disappeared at midnight. Maybe it's not her shoe because she had the shoe the next day. I don't know. Anyway, that's all to say. It will end on the 18th of November at midnight. There is 3 different scents to choose from: almond and neroli, shea classic and lavender. It's all beautifully wrapped up. So if you're loving this box, that is available for all of them. And the price is over 50% off. It is £59.96, which I think is incredible. Also, if you are new to QVC and you haven't shopped with them before, you can use my refer a friend code, which will get you an extra £10 off, which would make it like £49.96, which is wildly good. It's wildly good. Anyway, I'm gonna unbox it because it's such a good set. I cannot wait to show it to you. So here is the box, just so that you can see. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. It's like, it's the kind of box that you'll keep. You know what I mean? It's so good. Anyway, inside we have the products and I'm just gonna whip them open and show you what we've got. I'm going to go for the liquid soap first. You can use this on hands or body. So you can literally have it by the sink or have it in the shower, whatever you want. And it's basically a double-sized bottle. It's 500 mils. Standard size for a shower gel is like 200, 300, maybe 250. Let's go 250. This is double that. It's 500 mils. So it really is a big bottle. It's amazing. And this is in the Neroli Orchard scent. So it's like neroli and almond. I think this one is in, like, not French. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's kind of like green, but also nutty and a bit florally. It's really good. Anyway, that is the first item. Absolutely amazing. You're gonna love it. And then next we have the almond shower oil. I love this product. It's pretty much my favorite ever product from L'Occitane. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's just a dream to use. This is, again, basically a double-sized bottle. It's 500 mils. Normally it's a 250 ml bottle, so it is literally double-sized bottle. And I love the fact that it's got the little pump. Makes it so that I don't use too much, because otherwise I just want to, like, cover myself in it and I don't want to waste it. Anyway, that is the next item. 500 mils of just golden joy. And then, oh, I dropped that. And then we have a body lotion. This is in the shea butter. This is 250 mils. So this is a standard size compared to basically the double size. You can see it really is hefty, this bottle. This is a body lotion, absolutely gorgeous. A lovely body lotion, can't deny. And then the final item that we have is a stonker of a big tube. I mean, this is an enormous tube. Oh, is it this way around? Yes, it is. This is an enormous tube of that almond hand cream. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so rich, so velvety. This will last you pretty much the entire year, unless you're a hand cream addict, then maybe more like 6 months. But either way, it is 150 mils of basically the best hand cream in the world. It's so good. And I have to say, I love this limited edition packaging. It's so beautiful. Anyway, that is the box. I think it's incredible. You get those 4 items, but of those 4 items, you've got big sizes. I think it's so good. If you're new to QVC, do not forget to use my refer a friend code. It will get you an extra £10 off. It's so good. It's such a good deal. It makes an incredible gift. Personally, I don't think I want to give mine away because I'm like, I need this one. You know, when you're like, I need to keep it. It's too good. I don't want to give it away. But if you are more generous than me, it makes a beautiful gift. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.